unboxing video, considering everybody else loves to do these. I've had to take the top part off the box already because it kind of gave the game away, which I'll show you in a moment why. Ooh, there's a bit of a game changer. What's this? Adjuster for the coilovers. Nice.
Issues into work cabinet. I need to get rid of it. Now the Jimmy says, "Big lad, need the lab around your mate." So I said, "Be like, what's up? Hashtag show me the money." Listen to Kelly Clarkson.
Hello there, Daniel.
Hello.
The little garage bitch.
Fuck off. Garage bitch.
What are you up to today, mate?
Full service.
Have a little, have a bit of road test of the new coilovers, see what they're like. Still need a little bit of a setting up, but seems to be driving straight enough down the phone.
Tracking alright, is it?
It's not too bad, drives straight.
Right.
firm, but not too solid.
I think it'll be nice for driving on the road, but then obviously it's going to do quite well on the track, I think. That's the plan.
When's it getting on the track?
Get her out this year, boys! We are! And then we'll go hunting down that McGann in the Ultima.
And a Mini.
I'm not going to stand a fucking chance against it, like, but
No, not a chance.
it's still going to be good fun. It is what it is, mate. It's a cheap, affordable way of getting on the track and having a bit of fun with boys. Like, I don't have to be spending 60 grand like my old mate Clive has in the Ultima. You know, not everybody can afford
No, that's right.
£100,000 track day cars.
No, that's right.
But like Jeremy Clarkson says, it's better than buying a bag of golf clubs and throwing a ball around a field for a couple of hours.
Yeah, it feels alright actually.
Yeah, but this bit here's a bit bumpy, like, so...
This is long here, it's backing up, man.
See what I mean?
Yeah,
It's Scotty.
You always get this along here because the
yeah.
roads are shit.
It's all the HGVs, man, isn't it? Going
Yeah.
into that lay-by, it's starting to go on their brakes, like...
They redone that lay-by, didn't they? Last year, year before?
Yeah.
Totally redone it. It's
Yeah.
like, hang on, what about the road? We're getting a fucking lay-by. Roads are fucking nightmare.
Yeah, so like I say, very forgiving. It's totally dailyable.
Yeah. Battery all good now.
Spot on.
Starting up.
2 days.
Right.
Started it this morning, frozen cold. News fired up like on the button. Those batteries are shit.
Yeah, they are.
Because it's the second time I've had to change it
Yeah.
in the last 2 years, and then that's it.
I do not want to buy any more Napa batteries. They are crap. Napa batteries are rubbish.
Right. Let's see what she's like here.
Fuck you up, didn't it?
I was coming in hot there as well,
I
mate.
know
was
you
gonna
were.
go for it.
I was thinking, oh. Whoa,
Lift off oversteer there, boys.
You need to get those fucking wheel arches sorted out before you make your tyres.
It's only rubbing against the fiberglass arches, so it's not
Oh, is it?
massive, but yeah, it's just the extensions. So you don't actually realise it, but it's actually like, what, 18mm each corner, so it's 36mm wider than a standard Fiesta because it's running the old 206 GTI alloys.
You got all the wheel studs in there now. Oh, you're still on 3.
Yeah. I bought the stud conversion kit in the mild steel, so as soon as I tried putting a nut on them, like, they fucked up.
What about
I had
lock one up?
spares. No, it's the actual threads themselves.
What, in the hub? What, they're knackered?
The ones that I fitted, they're mild steel.
Alright.
Like I say, I'm quite impressed. They're not exactly the cheapest coilovers in the world, like, you know,
Yeah,
for a Fiesta.
500 quid, wouldn't they?
Well, 600 quid almost for a Fiesta, but that was the cheapest ones I could find.
Here we are at J Davy. It's not bad, the coil, you know, I expect them to be a lot harsher.
Yeah, so did
Lot
I.
harsher.
Yeah, I did. It's actually
They're
pretty
actually
comfortable,
very- not
especially
bad.
when you sat in that seat as well. Like, there's not
Yeah.
much padding in it, so you do feel it, and it's actually quite comfortable with the. Oh look, check it out.
Hey.
You've even got your signage going on the mask, mate. Advertising.
Oh, yes.
I'll be charging you for that, mate. That's right. Everybody say hello to Simon, Mr. Blake from SB Autos.
Hello.
LLF Taxi.
What?
The taxi's its last digits were LLF, like.
Yeah, back along.
Second lane. See, that's the one. Everybody else moves into that other lane. I just come straight round in the second lane and you're done. Yeah, it's not bad. Considering I haven't set up the suspension since it's been fitted. So it's,
You haven't messed around with anything.
nah, haven't done anything to do at all with the tracking.
Alright. When are you going to put 2 litre in it?
But I think I'm going to focus on getting the big Astra back on the road first, like, because I want to have this. This is doing all right for the time being.
Have you done any pictures of your videos here? Any of your body shop? It's a bit slidey.
Yeah, well, I've only got cheap tyres on it, like. It makes it more interesting on the road when you've got cheap tyres, because then you're not driving it to its limits.
That's true.
So having shitty tyres makes it interesting on the road. You know, if I had fucking semi-slick race tyres, you know, I'm not going to be able to use them to their maximum potential without having my licence taken off us. So, I'm just going to wait until I get it on track, like, and then I'll put the good ones on.
You could go on track like this, couldn't it? You could go on track like this.
Yeah, go on exactly as it is, but I would like to have something a bit grippier, because I think you're going to start showing the limits of them tyres on track.